Hi everyone, Natasha here, and around my home today I am back at my desk. It is Tuesday, June 2nd, and I'm here to share with you some more of my daily planning in my Unbound planner. So let's go ahead and get started. And as you can see, I ended up with a full list of items to do yesterday. So let's first start with checking off what we were able to get finished here at the house. So I did post the JE specials, and I did do the majority of my home blessing that I normally do on Monday. So we got those posted. We got the home blessings items done. So what I did was, excuse me, washing the sheets on our master bed, taking the trash down. I did dust in zone 1. I did not do a specific hotspot declutter other than I did just make sure the kitchen was all picked up, but that wasn't really a hotspot unless you count the whole kitchen. And then did not work in my daughter's room at all. I did sweep the kitchen and mop the kitchen. I did the hearth room. No, I take that back. I didn't do the windows. Didn't get any cards sent. Didn't work on my Christmas journal. Didn't really talk about a party, and I did make the bed. So I did those items there. I'm gonna grab, I usually use a ballpoint pen for my gratitude. So I'm gonna just add that in here. Okay, so that is my gratitude, and then let's take a look at just real quickly while I'm thinking of it. So I did work on my daughter's book yesterday. I did read. Did not end up doing my energy routine, and that's the Carol Tuttle morning energy routine. I'll try to link it below. It's just a quick, maybe 5-minute set of meditation and movement exercises put together. I did not do swish and swipe. I didn't really do a specific declutter either, so that's fine. Maybe today we'll do better. Actually, so far already, I have done my daughter's book and I have read, so that's off to a good start. Okay, so I did dust the lights in the dining room and the parlor, and I dusted the trim. What else did I work on? I did dust the dining room furniture, and that was just a quick dust with the feather duster. I did not do any vacuuming or anything, and didn't run errands, so that's fine. Didn't get our cards done. What else? Didn't do money of this list yet, but that's okay. Yeah, okay, so I think I'm caught up there, and I guess I can go and check off. This says add repeating weekly goals and review monthly goals. I did that as part of my setup for the month and the week, and I haven't really done an act of kindness yet, so maybe we'll do like a nice picture that we draw on a note that I write for our neighbor that broke her hip. That might be something nice to do. All right, so back to this page. So now I'm gonna just grab my mild liner and my little ruler. I can find it here. So I just keep this little zipper pouch somewhere in the bottom. There it is. This kind of stays with me and with my planner. All right, so let's add our check boxes for what we need to get done today. What I need to get done today, but I guess if you're planning along with me, then it could be for you as well. All right, and I'm just going to kind of skip this desk time here and start there, and I just do every other 1/8 inch mark, because that's about what these chisel tip markers are as far as the width. And I am working outside of the house today, helping with some bookkeeping, so I kind of need to factor that in as far as my time goes today. I'm gonna leave that there. I think that's a good stopping point. Okay, so First, I just like to start with transferring forward anything I did not get finished. And this is kind of similar to the bullet journal method, where it can seem redundant to be constantly rewriting things as you move through the week. But the point of that is, it just reminds you that one, you're not doing it, and two, it's some motivation to just get it done finally so you don't have to keep rewriting it. So I would still like to spend a few minutes just picking some things up in my daughter's room with her. So I'm going to add that as my first priority, I know for sure. And since today is my desk time, I need to pay bills and just kind of take a look at our budget for the week and the month. So I'm going to add that as my second priority. Is there anything else that I know for sure is a priority? Let's see already. So the forward arrow just means I'm transferring it to the next day. I think I better add the birthday party and the cards are kind of the next couple of things that are important. So I'm going to do pay bills and then cards as part of that. So while I'm working at my desk, I'm just going to work on any of those tasks that are related as far as getting the stamps out, getting the envelopes out, getting correspondence done. And so let's see, that's that. I want to keep that get well card separate, just to remind me. I'd like to maybe have my daughter help me do a little decorated card for her. All right, and then let's go ahead and add the birthday party planning, just so we can kind of get that started since it's at the end of the month, and I want to make sure I have enough time for that. And if we're going to need to send out invites, we need to get going. So I'm going to add that there. Okay. Let's see. I want to check real quick because it seemed like there was something I thought of. So I'm going to add process receipts and update QuickBooks here. But first, let's go ahead and transfer the things that didn't get done. So I still would like to do a hotspot declutter. Spend 15 minutes on that, and that could be part of working in my daughter's room. And the hearth room windows, I'm just going to put zone 1 windows, because if I can get more than the hearth room done, that would be great, but we need to do windows at some point in the zone 1. And then the bullet journal prep, see if I can't maybe work on that as part of my desk time today, if I have time. If you're a parent, it all depends on when my daughter gets up and how much time I have to do things like that require some focus and concentration. So all right, so then let's go back here and I need to process receipts, since we have a home-based business in addition to my Jordan Essentials business. I just have to keep track and process all of our receipts that come in. And updating QuickBooks, hopefully I can do that in a matter of maybe 10 minutes. Something else I want to do while I'm at my desk is clean up my email. So part of the STEP program is you create a couple of subfolders. One is immediate action, one is to sort, and I can't remember what the other one is, but and the idea is then once a week or so you go through your email and just assign everything a folder so that your actual email inbox is empty. And it's not about sorting every single item. You kind of just find the immediate things that you need to stay on top of, put those in your immediate actions folder, and then everything else you just put in the to sort folder. And you may not ever sort it, but at least it gets it out of your inbox, which just can reduce stress. So that is those couple of things moved in from there. And I might be getting overly ambitious here, but I'm going to write the STEP program in too, because I can maybe do that as I'm working on the email cleanup, since that's part of it. Okay, I think that's enough. I think I need to just see how my day and my time goes before I move on. That's quite a few items. I have heard you're supposed to just do like 7 items on your to-do list, and inevitably I go over because I am bad about judging how much time things take and how much time I'll actually have. So I'll continue to work on getting better, but in the meantime, this is what my list usually looks like. So, and today is an 11-2 day for me in the colors and numbers system. So that's black, white, and pearl gray. And I don't remember the affirmation, so let's look that up really quickly. And the affirmation is, I follow my inner star. I have a direct pipeline of wisdom and knowledge from the highest source. As I turn within, all the answers I seek are there for the asking. Every question I have is easily answered by my own inspiration. I inspire others. I am a shining example of love and light. Today I sparkle and shine in a quiet and peaceful way. So that's a nice thought for the day. And I already have my outfit chosen, since I do that as part of my morning routine. When I get dressed every day, I just choose the outfit for that same day in 1 week based off my personal number system. And I can always change it, but it just helps to kind of give me that basic foundation of what I am wearing. Typically it's just the shirt or the dress, and then I put on the same, four or five options for pants, shorts, skirt to go with it on the bottom. So, all right, so that's my planning for Tuesday, June 2nd. Hopefully that was helpful and interesting for you. And I will be sharing any links down below for things like the Louise Hay book and anything else I've mentioned. And other than that, I hope you have a great day. I'm sending you my love and well wishes, and I look forward to seeing you tomorrow for another daily plan with me. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button down below if you're enjoying this series, and I will see you then. Bye-bye.